We just stopped to get gas on the way home. Look at this. I have never seen so many crickets in my life. Look at this place. It looks like something out of a movie. Look. They're getting on me. Yuck. Yuck. Look at that. Look at this. On everything as I'm walking, they're in front of me. Look. Look at them swarming. Oh God. Ooh, they're touching me. Look at the building. Look. That. Oh my God. Look at the lights. They're just swarming the whole area. Oh! Look at the side of the building. That is crazy. Wow. I don't understand it, but we had to get gas. Ooh. Yuck. Look at that.